massive rocks crash into a river in India, destroying a bridge in seconds. The entire clip is coming down slowly. This is absolutely unbelievable.
It's all coming down. It's all coming down. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh. It is coming down. Unbelievable. Whoa. Boom. Oh man, look at this one. Oh, man. Oh. Oh man, this big one in the middle is gonna go. It's coming. It's going. I can see it moving. It's coming. Oh, it's moving slow. It's falling. Oh, boom. Oh, man. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my gosh, the whole thing.
Back in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
Hey,
Evacuate immediately if you are in a flood-prone area. Tornadoes remain a threat across inland areas.
don't move.
¡No mames! ¡Güey, chingas a tu madre! ¡Güey!
Sorry, can I see that one more time? Is that new water? It's done.
This dust storm might look small, but it's surprisingly powerful, effortlessly swirling and sending numerous chairs flying in its wake.
Солнце уже не в бассейне. Все.
तो क्या खतरनाक आ रहा है ये
अरे जल्दी आओ जल्दी आ जल्दी आ बड़ा बड़ा
ओ भाई साहब ऊपर तो
These people were traveling in a car when suddenly, stones started raining down from the top of the mountain. Thankfully, they were only a few seconds behind.
This video from 2015 shows some sailors about to take on a giant wave.
That's God.
Large hailstones and strong winds are making conditions even worse. This dangerous flood recently struck Spain, causing extensive damage across the country. As you can see in this video, the floodwaters rush into a store, sweeping away all the goods in its path.
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
Of this hailstone, nature's icy fury in full display.
Oh dear God.
Ever heard of the reindeer cyclone? While it's not entirely new, its unique movement is always impressive. Winds and flooding swept through the city, causing major damage and halting daily life.